Hello everyone, welcome to Brandon Socket and today's tutorial on using the custom URL spreadsheet. And so I've created the spreadsheet instead of using the Google Analytics demo and tools link where you can create one at a time. I've actually created a spreadsheet where you can create up to 50 at a time. And it just enables you to use a system in which you create your custom URLs in a quick and easy way to kind of track and reference your campaign names and what you have done in the past. So we're going to dive in here, and when you first open the spreadsheet, you'll notice, the first row of page, these orange dots are actually hidden. They actually help feed in this formula. So what we need to do is create a page name, a source of CRM and emails, typically what it's going to be. You've got your campaign name, your term, if you're going to use that field as we've discussed in the training, and then your ad content. And as we fill these cells out, it's actually going to feed into this URL builder that we've got here. So the first step is you actually have to change this website to your own. So you would just erase the Brandon Socket and go, we are consulting.ca, and you'll notice as soon as I hit enter, it changes that that formula down there. Okay, and so I don't think, can we click in here? No, we can't. Great. So I'm going to come back in here and we're just going to create the Brandon Socket one. So let's go brandonsocket.com. That's step one. When you're on your actual website, so I'm going to open up my website, you're going to want to take the landing page title, so the / title, okay? And what we're going to do is, let me get my web page open. I'll drag it over to the window so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's just drag this over. Are you gonna work for me today? No, of course not. I'm recording. Okay, so here's my website. And we've got an event section. And so it's this / section here that this is the landing page we want our customers to go to, or it could be this one, right? So I'm going to copy that / events. And when I'm back in this spreadsheet, I simply take that page name and I paste it in there. There's the events, okay? It's CRM, it's email. Campaign name might be something like, so it's August when we're creating this video. So we're going to go August-training. Okay. Term, if I want to use it, could be, morning email, right? Or afternoon email, whichever you want to do. I typically don't use term. There are ways in which I would use it, but for this case, I wouldn't. Ad content. Sorry. Campaign name is called training, and ad content is going to be August email, right? So I have a campaign titled training, or you can make it a model of a vehicle. So Cruise, F-150, Elantra, Optima, right? Your ad content could be your August program email. Right, and so throughout the year, and as we get into Google Analytics later in this webinar, you'll see how this all fits together. But what you'll notice now is when I hit enter, I've actually got my entire link created here. So I simply click, copy, and now again, when I open up my website, I can just paste that link into my email, and when the customers click on it, it just goes here. And now I can track in my Google Analytics how many people landed on this page via this email. And so that's how you use the spreadsheet. You simply change your website up here, add the landing page / title here, and then go across labeling your campaign and your ad content. If you found this video useful, or if you need any extra help, please comment, share, like, and please hit the subscribe button. See you soon.